We would now like to introduce Mitsubishi Electric Service IQ Care Remote for You. IQ Care Remote for You is a service using IoT technology to support production by and maintenance of laser processing machines. This IQ Care Remote for You can be largely divided into two functions, the dashboard function and the remote diagnosis function. First, the dashboard function that contributes to the production process. The dashboard function allows customers to confirm matters such as operating information and estimated processing time of their laser processing machine at off-site areas in real time via PCs, smartphones, or tablets. And no dedicated software is necessary. Using a web browser, information can be accessed from anywhere. Second is the remote diagnosis function, which significantly reduces machine downtime. This function allows a terminal at the support center to directly access the customer's laser processing machine to conduct a diagnosis. Now, let's see how it works. Please notice the changes on the screens at the support center and that of the customer. It looks like a customer is calling with a question.
Mitsubishi Electric Machinery Division, may I help you?
Yeah, I got a problem with surface roughness of a 6mm thick mild steel sheet.
Have you adjusted the processing conditions?
I'm not used to this laser system, so I don't know how to make adjustments.
I'll confirm the status by remote diagnosis. Please press the remote service button.
Okay. I pressed the button.
We are now connected. Let me confirm the processing conditions.
Thank you.
Since the customer has granted permission for connection, the support center is now operating the screen.
Your gas pressure has been confirmed too high, so I'll change the pressure. The processing conditions have been changed. Can you try cutting with this?
Okay.
How is it now?
Yeah, it looks very good.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, not right now.
Please call again if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.
By using the remote diagnosis function in this way, the support center can remotely diagnose the customer's laser processing machine from its dedicated terminal, and by sharing screen information with the customer, can swiftly resolve the problem. So what did you think about remote diagnosis by Mitsubishi Electric's IQ Care Remote for You? Mitsubishi Electric will continue to use IQ Care Remote for You to enhance production efficiency. For a more detailed explanation, please feel free to ask one of our attendants. Thank you for your attention.